What's up guys, it's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing a really soft and fun get ready with me featuring my makeup and my outfit. But before I jump into the actual tutorial, I wanted to showcase the perfect jewelry pieces to complement any date night or honestly just any spring outfit. So these pieces are from the brand Ana Luisa, and Ana Luisa specializes in offering everyday luxury. Now these 14 karat gold pieces are designed by artists that worked for brands like Gucci and Louis Vuitton. And each piece is individually handcrafted and has a 1-year warranty. So as you guys can see, these are absolutely beautiful and the perfect accessories for any spring or date night look. So let's just go ahead and hop into the actual makeup tutorial. So first up, you guys know my first drill is to always do my skin prep. And I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and Eye Rescue Cream just to kind of, of course, moisturize the skin and get it all nice and prepped for the makeup look. And then we're gonna jump right into the brows. So I'm using the CoverGirl Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Honey Brown and Soft Brown just to kind of fill in my brows. I've actually been growing my brows out recently, you guys, and so they're looking a lot fuller than usual, which I'm really loving. Honestly, I'm loving this, like the thicker brows. So I'm filling them out, of course, filling them in, and then of course outlining them and cleaning them up with the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC42. Just make the brows look nice and clean and crisp. So after I do the brows, I'm gonna jump onto the face. So first, of course, going ahead and prepping the skin with my Becca Ever Matte Primer to, of course, help to control oil and keep our makeup intact all day. And then I'm gonna go in with complexion. So here I'm actually mixing the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation and mixing in just a pump of the Becca Champagne Pop Liquid Illuminator, and it's applying that all over the skin. Now I want this look to be very glowy and dewy for spring because it is a very soft, wearable spring look. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I have that luminosity in the foundation as well. So just applying that all over the skin and of course buffing it in with my Morphe foundation brush. And then before I go in ahead and apply my under eye concealer, I'm applying just a little bit of color corrector under my eyes to really just help to even it all out and have a nice seamless base. And then I go in with the concealer. So here I'm just applying it under my eyes. You guys know, under my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and my chin to, of course, brighten up that area. Again, it's a very fresh and bright look, so I want the under eye to be nice and flawless for the day. And then once I apply that, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it out with a damp beauty blender, just to make sure that all the edges are nice and seamless and that everything blends in nicely. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and set those areas with the RCMA No Color Powder. So just pressing that into the skin with that same beauty blender and just pressing it again under the eyes, forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and my chin. And this helps to prevent creasing, so that way that concealer that we just applied stays in place all day. This is a really important step because you don't want that concealer to budge at all. And then just to help warm up the skin a little bit and bring back in some of that dimension and depth to the skin, I'm gonna take the Haley's Beauty Foundation Stick in the shade 7.25 and just apply that to my forehead and also, of course, my cheekbone area. Again, just kind of warm it up and really just define those features. Because, once you apply your foundation and concealer, it kind of flattens the face. And so this step here helps to bring back in some of that dimension. Okay, and then once I've done all that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And this is, of course, to just help to set the entire face and keep our, keep the makeup in place all day and keep my skin from getting oily. You guys know I am an oily girl, so I need all the protection I can get. And once I do that, it's now time to go ahead and kind of just warm up that skin even more. I did already apply that cream contour or bronzer, but I want to just reinforce that with a bronzer powder. So I'm using the MAC W48 Studio Fix powder, which is a little bit warmer, as you can see, and just using that to really set those areas and just add that kind of sun-kissed look to the skin. And then I've actually been liking going in and just cleaning up under my bronzer, just gonna create a really nice kind of snatched cheekbone situation, and also adding a little bit more powder under the eyes to catch any fallout from our eyeshadow. So here I just applied a little bit of my MAC Lean Low Primer to, of course, prep my eyelids. And then for today's look, I'm taking the Morphe Bling Boss palette. Now, okay, so I definitely, because it is a very wearable, full glam spring look, I wanted the look to be very springy. So I just thought, why not do like purple and lilac tones? And of course, I just went ahead and popped out this palette because, as you can see, it's definitely on the very side. So I took this really pretty soft lilac purple and applied that in my crease first. And then I'm going with a little bit of a darker purple shade, and it's warming up that crease even more. So this look here is all about layering because I wanted it to be, again, I wanted it to be very wearable. So I wanted the colors to really pop, but not to be too dramatic because you can wear this look during the day or at night, which is perfect. So you have your purple tones there in the crease. It's all nice and you know, purple, but still soft. And then I'm taking this Laura Mercier Rose Gold Liquid Eyeshadow that is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I literally love it. It's so pretty. And it's taking that and applying that right all over the lid. So I'm kind of like doing like a simple cut crease, just kind of carving out that lid shape to really define it, but again, still keeping it really nice and soft. So I just applied it all over the lid, and I'm going in now with that same purple shade that we applied in the crease, and it's blending out those edges. Because of course I want to help kind of marry the outer portion of the eye into the liquid shadow, if that makes sense. So again, apply that liquid eyeshadow all over the eye, and then just blend it or blend out the edges with that purple shade from the Bling Boss palette. So now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier, with a golden Laura Mercier Caviar eyeshadow stick. Just apply that to the lower lash line because I knew I wanted a really pretty golden waterline. So you applied that. And then it's going ahead and dusting away that excess powder. And of course, contouring the nose because we want our nose to be snatched for this look. And here I'm using that same MAC Studio Fix powder that we used earlier to bronze. And then taking a really pretty coral blush. You guys know I tend to kind of gravitate more towards coral blushes, and I feel like this shade is the perfect blush for this particular look. It's just like the perfect complement to it. You can't forget to set your brows. I'm taking the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara to, of course, set the brows in place and kind of create more natural hair strokes. And then to finish up that lower lash line, I'm going back into that Bling Boss palette, and it's taking that same purple shade that we used earlier, and it's popping that on the lower lash line. Again, to really make those colors pop, but still keep it really soft and wearable. I like adding that purple or that reddish purple shade, you know, on the lower lash line. This makes it look really, really fun and funky and very springy as well. And of course, don't forget to go in with a fluffy brush and just blend out those edges. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with the CoverGirl Bronze Flame Sculpting Palette. Just gonna add a really nice glow to the skin. You guys know I've been loving this one. The pigment in it is amazing and it's so glowy. So I just applied that to the high points of my cheekbones, my forehead, bridge of my nose, and my chin. And as you can see, you guys, it just makes your skin instantly like so glowy. So we have the lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my MAC Night Moth lip liner, and let's of course apply that all over. I knew I want to do like a really soft rosy lip to complement the eyes because again it is a soft wearable look. So I took that. Now I'm going in with the Balm Ola Creamy Lip Stain and applying that all over my lips. It's a really pretty just rosy pink, but I knew I wanted to do a little bit more of a glossy lip, so I applied the lip stain down first. And now I'm going with the Amplify Plucker Lip Gloss on top of that, which is a really pretty soft pink glittery lip gloss. And I feel like that just really made the look pop. So that is the lips. So for lashes, I'm taking my Dodo D105 lashes and just popping those on to my lashes. And of course, blending in my natural lashes with the falsies with my CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara. And you can't forget to set your entire look with the MAC Fix Plus Setting Spray. Oh, and of course, I can't forget about the inner corner highlight. The perfect touch to a wearable full glam look is to add in a nice pop of champagne into in her corner. And I also have a pimple right there, which is why you guys see me adding in a little mole. If I have a pimple that just doesn't want to let me be gray, I'll just go ahead and make this a mole and we'll just be good to go. And of course, you can't forget the Ana Luisa jewelry, which looks so gorgeous. It's the perfect accessory for any day or night look and can honestly be a great gift for that special woman in your life. So if you're interested in checking out Ana Luisa, go ahead and check out the link down below. And I also have a coupon code to save $10 off, so make sure you check them out. So after you've done all of that, you guys, here is the final product of our very glam yet wearable spring makeup look. It's really soft and purpley, and I honestly love it. Also, here are the outfit details. So I just went with a really simple mauve dress, some clear heels, and this really cute handbag, of course, with the Ana Luisa accessories. And here's the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.